Assalamu alaikum. This is Japanese books reading contents. This is the first content. This is jumping in Urdu sabka. Um, Let me start this books. First, Kabana Sangam sabka hai, and the next is the beer. The next beer sabka hai. The next, the dog kutta sabka hai. Sabka hai yung. The next is insects and tida sabka hai. The next is rabbit and kangosh sabka hai. Next is Gonga Nam Nakamahogaya. Nakamahogaya. Cannot. And next is Gonga. No. Welding our bajay sabka hai. Next. The next is fish. Machi changaladi hai. Mangang sabti hai. Our main bi sabki hai. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The next is now I'm thinking, but for this future, well, maybe next or 2 weeks later, I will starting. Uh, I will read the next book. So keep tuned this channel, please. Bye bye.